Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with MassMutual step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. List all sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and any side jobs. Next, make a detailed list of your monthly expenses. Include fixed costs, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Now, categorize your expenses into needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses that you cannot live without. Wants are discretionary spending that can be adjusted or eliminated. Calculate your total income and total expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will show you your budget surplus or deficit. If you're facing a deficit, identify areas to cut back on. Consider reducing your spending on wants first. Next, set financial goals to give your budget a purpose. These goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, such as retirement savings. Now, create a budgeting plan using the information gathered. MassMutual offers tools and resources to help you stay on track. Choose a budgeting method that works for you, such as the envelope system or zero-based budgeting. Implement your budget and track your spending regularly. Adjust your budget as necessary based on your spending habits and financial goals. Review your budget monthly to ensure you stay focused and make any necessary changes. As you reach your financial goals, celebrate your progress to stay motivated. Continue this process and refine your budget over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.